Alright, poly bushings. Tech tip. Don't grease this part. Grease this part. Can you see here?
The inside?
Don't grease this part.
Okay.
Grease this part.
Why?
Because otherwise the whole thing squishes around. You only want to move.
Got you.
If you're ever wondering too, look. The little checker pattern in there, that's designed to hold grease. So that one's free.
Next one's gonna cost you.
Next one's gonna cost you.
What was this, white line? Was white line?
I'm not sure. It's one of them. They all make a good product. Don't sweat over white line or.
Well, White Line Super Pro, same shit now.
Or whatever, or Cartboy, or Turning Concepts makes good stuff. You know, like, so don't sweat it. They're all good. Just go with whatever one.
Whatever you can afford. You know?
Yeah.
eBay special.
Go with whatever one's hardest. I would run a Heim there if I could. But you don't need.
You probably could.
You don't really need a Heim here.
You need Heims everywhere.
This one only needs to pivot.
You need Heims everywhere.
You could Heim it. But then if you Heim this, the front trailing link bushing is already Heimed as well. So then that link would just sit there and flop constantly side to side unless I had something to locate it on one end. So you want one end to just pivot and the other side to pivot and deflect.
Well, you put one in and then fork this shit, fork this shit, fork this shit. See, if you already have grease on your hands, you don't have to grease anything. Professionally installed. Warranty guaranteed.
I need
What do you need?
You need to make some more stub axles.
You need to make more stub axles?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
These guys.
Here, look. The ones I put in there. You know why I do that, internet? So that you roll these things around.
All fall apart.
Yeah, exactly. These bearings fall apart unless there's an axle and they'll hold them together.
Why is that? Why?
Because the guy, but if axle, then, you know? So.
Turn that down.
Trigger just point. If you don't have a spare subframe sitting outside, then you should really think about it. It's pretty good. What these?
Would you? Cut the axle first and knock it out.
Yeah, that's smart.
Well, actually using a knocker. Look at this. And then that's what you get. Little stubby.
Alright, here's the thing I don't know.
Oh, you don't know something?
Will an 04 WRX axle fit an 05 to 07 STI hook?
Yes.
Nope.
Oh yeah. STI axle works.
Sick. Alright. That means an 04 STI, actually it's an 03 STI axle.
03?
03 STI axle.
JDM yo.
JDM yo. Fits 05 to 07 rear hubs. 04 WRX front axle fits the same as a 03 STI front axle and an 05 to 07 hub. Which is different.
Wait, what the fuck? Really?
So this is a 04 WRX axle.
Oh yeah, I mean.
This is a 05 to 07 hub. And it fits the same as a 5x100 STI axle.
Ah.
So you can see like the dust shield doesn't line up. And the ABS ring in there doesn't line up either. But it's okay.
They work as stub axles.
That'll work to hold the hub together here. And then I don't know what to do after that. Oh yeah, here's what I meant. Solid.
Look at that.
STI. This is like one of those little hidden differences between the WRX and STI.
What's WRX ones?
Yeah.
Fits like a glove.
Like a glove.
Didn't line up.
No. Gotta realign it up. So apparently, it's not just spacing of these holes. Apparently it's also the width of that flange. That's the difference between STI and WRX stuff.
Huh. Now you know.
Now I know.
Now you know.
But
There's a but?
Need it to, you can get it to bolt up.
I mean, yeah. With one bolt.
Damping it has.
Look at that.
Smash! 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 Smash!
What did we do today, Tasso? Alright.
You know. Just a little of this. A little of that.
Yeah. Fucking with hubs and,
with hubs.
and rear subframes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fighting shit. Normal stuff.
Slowly coming together.
Putting together a mix of new and used parts.
We learned how to make STI hubs work with WRX 5x100 coilovers.
That's true. We did that.
Yeah.
Fix some threads, ruin some threads.
Yeah.
A little this, a little that. And
Uh-huh.
guess what? Now we're in business. Alright. I'm gonna keep looking for bolts. And then I'm gonna keep making this thing ready to go for a cage. And we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.